Hey, as I promised, here is a short video to explain you mug design template, and it might be helpful for you for other products as well. Sorry if my voice is not clear. Actually, I have throat infection, so please bear with me. All right, so once you are on the editing page, click on upload. And here you can see the print file requirements for each product. So here you can see the file type that's supported for mugs, the maximum file size as per the format, and you can see the print area size. Basically the R template should be 2475 x 1155 pixels and it should be 300 dpi. So what is print area? If you can see, this is the print area, the complete print area, and it is divided in three sections. This one is the left section, this one is the front, and it's the right section. Now you can see that there are some gray area at the top and at the bottom, and here are these dash lines. So basically this white area is the bleed area where our design should be placed. What does it mean? Let's say our design has some text or art which we don't want to get cropped while printing, or which, as you said, that you notice that designs at the edge of the mug are getting blurred or faded, because when they put mug for printing, basically whatever part of our design remains in this bleed area, it prints perfectly because their printer or mold is designed this way, and anything that goes beyond that and come between these gray lines, it might get crop. So let's understand this with few examples. Here is the design that I created for you, which you approved. So here you can see the design is going in that gray area as well. So if you look at the mockups here, let me close that one first. Okay, so here's the mockup. So you can see design is going all over the mug, and it is going to the edge at the top and at bottom as well. But as you said that this part is getting fade or not printing properly, because as I said, it is that gray area where design is not printing perfectly because of their printing mold or whatever you can say. So what is the workaround? So workaround is we need to keep our design and the imported element of our design in this white bleed area. So you can see here now this design is not going to that gray area. And if I show mock-up of this, and if you compare them side by side, this is the perfect design, because our design element are inside the blade area and they are not going into the gray part at the top and bottom. So you can see the white space at top and bottom. Here design is covering the entire mug, but again when they will print this design, it might not look perfect, as you noticed yourself. So this is how we need to maintain our design, or these things are needed to keep in mind while designing our product. And if I give you another example, here is a design. Basically it's a t-shirt design, and which I created for one of my client. And if you notice, it appears at the front section of the mug. And if I want to align it to the left side, I can click on here and it will align perfectly to the left. If I want to put it on the right side as well, I can duplicate it, align it to right and center. Now this design is both side of the mug. Okay, so this is also another way. But what if I don't want to align myself manually here? So what I can do, I can make the design this way, like on the template, that it align automatically to the left. So if you see another design which I created for that for the same client, see here it is aligned automatically at the left side. So I don't need to touch those alignment buttons here. And even if you see the preview, see how perfectly it fits at the left side. So we can, while making our designs, if we follow the template and if we are clear about the placement of our design, we can create our design accordingly. Hope this helps, and it will also help you to decide where you want to place your designs. And yeah, that's it.